To install the WunderLINQ X, you're going to first locate the cradle connectors. They are up here on the right side on a 1200 or 1250GS. Other bikes have it in a similar location. The white side is the cradle. The black side of the connector is the bike side. You'll plug the WunderLINQ X connector into the bike side of the black connector. You'll then reinstall the WunderLINQ X into the same location that you found the original connector, trying to keep the LED visible where you install it. A couple zip ties will hold it into place and you're good to go. After that, you can then remove your original cradle using this bar as a mount for a tablet or a Garmin Tread 8-inch device.